Hello, welcome to HWM Aston Martin. My name is Grace and I have the pleasure of showing you around this beautiful 2022 model year DB11 V8 Volante finished in Ming Blue. So other exterior features that are worth highlighting, we have a black pack for the top and lower part of this car. So the lower part includes the front splitter, the side skirt and the rear diffuser. The top part includes the mesh vents, side strake and the mirror cap. So following the black theme throughout the car, we've got a gloss black grille and we also have black badging available around this car. So some of the main features worth highlighting inside this DB11, we have contrast stitching on the seats, we have the Aston Martin logo embossed on the headrest, and we also have heated steering wheel and the Aston Martin premium audio available within this car. So if you'd like to know more about the specific spec of this car, then please contact us either via our website, via email, or you can call us on 01932 240 611. Please remember to like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.